you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Elden Ring installed. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available patches. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues and crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Install the updates and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are playing on a platform like Steam, you can verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them. Right-click on Elden Ring in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in the game can help reduce crashes, especially if your system is struggling to keep up. Access the graphics settings in the game menu and try reducing options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to see if stability improves. Step 5. Check system requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM, CPU, or GPU to enhance performance and reduce crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!